this streaming? Yes, it is. Welcome back, y'all. It is day 3 of me vibe coding for 2 hours. Let's see what we can cook today. Can you check out if I am echoing or something in the other room? Thank you. Okay, so this is one of my projects, the 3D AI video factory. I made a short video about it where you can actually see what I mean, and it's basically I got a bunch of mini PCs, right? They are these right there. I don't know if you can actually see. And I was like, I need to give them a purpose. And this is what I came up with. Oh yeah, Abu. So we got these 4 mini PCs: the writer station, visual station, voice station, and the foreman station. And this is the idea, right? These PCs are not anything crazy. They are I forgot what CPU it was, but it's Intel, and it only runs at 1.6 gigahertz. This is slow as. And they all came with only 4 gigabytes of DDR3L RAM. But 4 gigabytes of RAM was my bottleneck. Holy, I feel so tired today. I don't know why. The fasting is catching up to me. I'm so thirsty. I gotta yap less today. My mouth is dry. But anywho, the 4 gigabyte RAM was a bottleneck for my visual station. So this one has an 8 gigabytes of RAM right now, and the other ones still have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And so here's what happens: they all share a same folder on my NAS, okay? And these are all on my home network, so they can easily communicate with each other. And when I give a job, oh shit, Jarvis is still running. Nice, that's nice. It's so easy to get distracted, but like, sorry, it doesn't echo. Nice. Hey, how's it going? Is the music too loud? You did? Okay. So it is still working. That's what we worked on the stream yesterday and the day before. We're gonna get back to it eventually, probably today later on, but I wanna cover some other topics today. So. SSHAB mint 1.192.1 state.0 dot. That might not be the right IP address, so let's check that out. Up, it's okay, no. What's wrong? Sorry. She got scared from the noise. It's not 65, it's 66. So, let's go back to the project. So, the writer station has a bunch of stuff installed on it. Obviously, it has Olama. It has I don't remember actually what model I'm using to write the script. Let's see, Olama list. Well, I have a bunch of models here. Llama 3.2, Tiny Llama latest, 5 3.5, and QN 2.5 1.5 billion parameter model. I didn't even know that was one of the models. I forgot about that. Even though I use it myself. So if you see, there's like all these different sizes. Llama 3.2 is 2 gigabytes, whereas Tiny Llama is the smallest one, Tiny Llama. And QN 2.5 is it's okay. It's a mid range if you consider, because when you go up in parameters, the answers get better. Oh no, what's wrong with her? Oh, Abu. Hey, you drop. But anyways, it uses a Python script. This script. Let me show you. What? So stupid. Oh, that one worked. Oh, there's your better. Whoa. What is this? Okay. So we got the writer agent script. This is what is running on the first mini PC on AB Mint 1. As you can see, this is V5 of the writer agent script. This matches the requirements in the contract for the job that I made. So it outputs a script.txt LLM generated. It makes a metadata.json. It's deterministic Python, so I used this like part of this code that generates that metadata. Then boom. Shots.json. The shots, right? So I'm making 6 shots per script. So regardless of how long the script is, which is probably not going to be that long, I've gave it a minimum words of like a 100. Yes, and max word count of 500. So it's going to be within that word count, and 6 shots for that. The shots are made in this format. Yes, of course. One second. Here, the 6 shots. So if you see, wide establishing shot hinting at subject. Medium close shot of materials or artifacts tied to subject. Macro close up revealing the key mechanism behind subject. This is really helpful because how I give it the job is there's a topic, which is the subject, and there is a hint, which is the detail usually, and they both get fed into the same. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Yeah, into the same uh, pattern or layout for the shots, and that is way faster than me telling the LLM to generate a prompt for a shot based on a topic, rather than if I have a set prompt that dreamy 3D this style of blank, and then every time I provide blank, it makes the same prompt for but different topics. Sometimes it could be Taj Mahal, it could be the moon, it could be Epstein. Who fucking knows? I don't know, but whatever you put in subject will be that prompt. So now then we got jobs.json. That is honestly the one of the most important files that it makes. That JSON file has the status of the job, where it shows that the job is uh, not claimed, failed, written, if it actually goes through all of this and finishes it. And once the job changes the state to written, the whole folder, oh, excuse me, moves from uh, the writer folder into the visuals. So here's the uh, folder tree. Let me show you. Factory. These are honestly like, these two are not important. I just have them for like other stuff. This is the actually where this tree starts. Jobs, and then we have active, completed, failed, and queue. I've never used active. I don't think we're gonna need that either. Queue is where you see the jobs, and the queue has 4 different parts: writer, voice, visuals, assemble. It goes from writer to visuals, then voice, and then assemble. Who is she talking to? And see. So we're gonna demo this. So this folder right now has nothing, right? Okay, AI factory overview. For setup overview, give me a new job, please. Okay. Here's a clean factual job, right? So, see, look, this is how you give the job. Job equals this: make directory factory jobs queue writer, and then folder. This job. This is the name, and then this means this. So, bada boom, bada bing. Then job ID. See, and then we got the title and the hint. Explain the launch of the first Navstar GPS satellite in 1978. Why the U.S. Department of Defense developed GPS, and how atomic clocks in orbit enable triangulation. How signals are. Da, 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 da. Yeah, you get the point. I copy this, right? Now we go on AB Mint 1. I could do it on any of the AB mints. So mint 1, 2, 3, 4 I have right now because the 4 PCs. And the idea is each PC is watching or monitoring each folder. When a job is dropped into that folder, depending on the status of the job, it's gonna either work on it or not work on it. So give it the job, enter, right? And we don't do anything, right? But now you see this folder popped up here. See that? And let's, yeah, it's, wow, I like the date, 2/22. I said 3:59 p.m. So I'm gonna be generous, and I'm gonna give it 6-7 minutes to generate the script, and then probably a good an hour and a half to 2 hours almost to generate the shots, which is perfect because by the end of the stream we'll have the shots and I can show you guys the shots that it makes. And maybe in the meantime we can figure out how to make the audio, the voice. It shouldn't be that hard, honestly. I just need to use Piper for text to speech, I think. Or it should be light work. Okay, can you make another new job? I'm doing this to demo what I said, that whatever PC I give the job in, it's still gonna end up being in the same folder. So this is AB Mint 1, right? And what was I doing here? Okay, I'll leave that open. Open a new one. SSH AB Mint 2 at 192.168.0.67. So now we're on AB Mint 2. This was AB Mint 1 where we gave the job, right? But now we copy the new job. The super volcano beneath Yellowstone. Interesting. No idea what that is. We'll find out once it makes the script. Copied. We go back here. AB Mint 2. Paste. Enter. And see? Yellowstone super volcano. Just like that. And now we give them time. Hopefully it works as it's supposed to. Or I'm gonna be depressed again. Now that that's done, let's actually try and see if we can progress with this project. Can you make another new job? I don't mind. 2 hours is fine like this. Yes, actually this was when I, like 7 days ago. See, I've been focused on other stuff. February 15th. This was when I figured out the shots being generated, and I was like, okay, that's good enough. Contract PDF. And then we got a writer agent. Okay, let's go here. AB Mint 2 ls and see visual agent.py. That's what I need. Control C. I could do this and type out like I don't know what to. I wanna move visual agent.py to my NAS under my media to codecs, right? That's the path. Let's see. Yeah, my media all codecs, and that's what the writer agent is. So I know why. Because that's not under factory, it's under factory. Whoa. No, what? How do you spell my media all? My media hyphen all, okay. See, this is why I didn't want to type it, because what? Brother. Interesting. Confirm NAS mount location. It should be mounted. The fuck do you mean? If it's not mounted, how is it making stupid giving it jobs, you know? I said this part that do not forget this next time. I don't want to keep repeating myself. Remember the deterministic stuff like this, because I've done this before. I mounted the damn folder using ChatGPT, so it doesn't make sense, you know? Move visual agent by to factory my media all codecs. It will probably make. Let's see. What do you mean? Why is there no such file or directory? It doesn't fucking make sense. Fuck do you mean? Let me see. That's why. Okay, it's mounted inside, like factory is factory. Okay. dun. So now inside factory, we have a new folder codex, which is good. I'm just gonna cut these, go back here, paste them here. Nice, nice, nice. And then I'll show you the visual script. Produces per contract, shots 1 to 6, thumbnail. It makes an okay thumbnail. I don't really like it because the limitation is my hardware, so I don't want to give it something like a too complicated prompt. All the thumbnails it makes is just like one photo and like literally like a block of black text about the title, which is fine for me because before I actually ever do post any of these, if I ever do, I can change it. It's not that big of a deal. So we got the comfy UI. We're using comfy UI for this workflow template path, OS path, and lock visual settings. Yep, these are that's the resolution we're using right now. We're using 6 steps. So 404 almost lines of code. Not too crazy, but also not like just plug and play. You gotta troubleshoot maybe back and forth a little. If you don't have the same exact hardware setup as me, you probably were gonna need to go a little back and forth. Most likely you won't have as slow hardware as me because I got a really good deal for these. I got 5 of these mini PCs for $100. So $20 each. It's basically the same price or like even cheaper than a Raspberry Pi. And the performance is better than a Raspberry Pi, so I'm not complaining. And yeah, it supports better stuff than Raspberry Pi in my opinion. It supports Windows when it needed, but I'm using Mint on them right now. All 4 of them have Linux Mint XFCE edition, not Cinnamon. So this is the visual agent. We cross it out, and let's see. We're gonna need some updates on this project. Go back. Ooh. It just goes on. Tell me what you know so far. So this is the same thing that I demoed yesterday, how I started the project. See? Architecture model, da 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 da, required outputs per station. Writer station currently active and stable. So the writer agent and the contract, we got this. So it's using model count 2.5, 1.5 billion parameters. That's nice. That's actually not bad at all. Behavior watches this claims job generates all of this. Status sequential. Yeah, I remember that. Job format. Jobs are manually injectable, like make job includes. Yes. This is when you wanna restart or recompile the writer agent. I put all the details that I would need in future to refer back to in the doc. Well, I made ChatGPT put it. So, yeah, man, this should be pretty smooth. Look at the amount of lines of code that I've just like gone back and forth with brother GPT. Holy shit, doesn't end. Okay, now let's see. What have you achieved on this project so far? Good question. Let's zoom out for a second and look back at what we've actually built, not just today, but across this whole AI factory arc. What you've achieved so far: built a real distributed AI pipeline. This isn't run a script. You have writer, station, AB mint, generating structured scripts, visual station, AB mint, 2 comfy UI running, stable diffusion on CPU. Yes, shared NAS, factory mount. Yes, acts as your message bus / job conveyor belt. Perfect. Queue-based routing. The job goes from visuals to voice. Nice. Each station watches its own queue folder and claims jobs. This is legit distributed architecture. Yep, that was the goal. Solve the phantom failures. Yes, you upgraded the RAM. See, it knows because this was not working. I couldn't generate images because sunlight is hitting my face. Nice. But yeah, I had 0 GB free. Like every time I hit generate an image, not even like generate 6 images through comfy UI, like my script, just a test generate to an image, it didn't work. I would see like a bunch of like a few minutes of CPU usage at 100% and then it would crash. And I realized it wasn't gonna cut it, so I got my hands on some more RAM. Like I always like to waste money, so yeah, I'm a hoarder. We already done. No human in the loop. That's not a minute contest line. Yes, sir. You built a scalable foundation. See, I need more mini PCs so I can actually just like have a mini PC for every single one of these. But I only have 4, so I gotta cut it down for now. Key part: you built a modular. Each machine is just a worker watching a folder. That's powerful. The bigger achievement: most people run Chat GPT, generate one image, call it AI workflow. That's facts. This is a multi-machine distributed system mounted on a shared storage. ChatGPT be gassing up my ideas. Like it makes my ideas sound so much better with like better wording that I'm like, oh shit, I came up with this. So where this project actually sits now, you're no longer experimenting. You have. Do you want to turn this into a content production machine, a research lab for AI agent, a monetizable autonomous channel, or all of the above? Of course, all of the above, gang. All of the above. Fucking the above. But before you start on that, can you make a PDF file documenting everything we did for this project so far, like a developer friendly guide so people can replicate my setup. Open source, open sauce. I'm never gatekeeping shit. I've always been like, I was gonna say the sauce giver, but it sounds so fucking stupid. But I always put people on. I be putting people onto like stuff they don't even wanna be put on. So I'm like, bro, you gotta use this, cause you can use this. Cause I pictured in my head that this guy could, like make his workflow snappy if he just did this, but he has no idea about this thing. So yeah, I be putting people on, bro. What do you mean 22? Wait, what? It said 20 to 30 to 50 page deep technical write paper. What does that even mean? So how many pages is this? This is just 2 pages. Interesting. Let's see what it made. Project overview, bada bing, bada boom, system architecture. Yes. NAS mount location, da 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 da. Okay, writer session setup, llama, yeah. I started the stream late today, I know. It's only been 36 minutes. Hey, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna basically end just before iftar. Chat. I got one message in chat. Let me see. Okay, what are you working on? What are you doing, bro? Good day, sir. What are you going to be able to talk to this? Close blinds, expand it. Small suggestion, you can build the MD file so that any AI can rebuild what you're building. The MD file is saved in the project folder and any AI will look for it. Interesting. Okay. I am not closing blinds because I need the light, or you won't be able to see my face. It's gonna be too dark. And what are you doing, bro? I explained what I was doing, and once, if you actually do stay on the live for a bit, I can reiterate what I'm doing. This, as you can see, wait, these 4 mini PCs right here, yeah, these 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 PCs are a content factory essentially, okay? And so the first PC is the writer agent. The second PC is the visual agent. The third one is the voice agent. I only have 3 turned on right now because I couldn't find the fourth one's stupid cable. Look, this cable, I couldn't find it. So this was like a week ago. That's when I stopped working on it. I'm like, no, I want to turn them all on and I can't find the cable. I gotta go through all my drawers to find the stupid adapter cable. But then I did. Now I have it and I still haven't plugged it in because I'm still on AB Mint 3. And oh, you could add a headlight if it feels blinding. No, it's not blinding. Like I'm okay. Wait, can you not see me properly? Yeah, the lighting is good. I feel like the lighting is good. If it was too dim, you won't be able to see me. You gotta see, like, moy. Wait up. But to reiterate what I'm actually doing, yeah, you're right. I did say it was too bright. I was questioning myself if it's too bright sometimes. But I like it. I like being sun-kissed. It's okay. And I look nice. Also, I fixed the echo, right? It's not echoing today. Natural vitamin D, yes sir. Content factory. No, it's okay. You can keep talking. Multi-machine workflow. The goal is to fully automate it at some point in future. You're gonna start your stream right now? Then I can't watch your stream. Stream later. Stream after iftar. When you're not tired. You're gonna be out. You're gonna be out of it right now. Okay, can I pin this? Yes, pin the message. So now you guys can see what I'm working on. Go to channel, replacement message, remove. No, I don't want to remove nobody. What? Y'all are good. JDK. Did I answer your question, brother? I hope so. Let's get back to the work. Turn this into a polished GitHub ready README plus documentation bundle. That is going to be next eventually, because my GitHub is empty. I was in engineering before for school. I've done projects here, but I've never put up anything on GitHub because I never cared enough. But now I do, and now it's easier. See, before nobody asked me, do you want me to turn this into a polished GitHub ready README and a documentation bundle? Because who the fuck was gonna do that for me? I would have to pay my broski, like my classmate, or ask my wife to do it, and she wouldn't even want to do it still. But now it can be done. It's asking you, do you want to be served? And yes. There's questions. Yeah, why you need echo?
You can just read it from here. I realized.
Oh, that's smart. I could. And I can just turn the volume down so it doesn't echo, right? Yes, GitHub, yo. I even have Arman has GitHub.
Yeah.
Why? I didn't have GitHub in grade 5.
You didn't go in grade 5.
I did.
Oh, you wish was it GitHub in
I think so. That's crazy. Wait, you can't actually hear the music that loud, right? Let me turn it up and see.
Is there?
No, here. Because I want to hear music. Let me turn it up and see. Go there? No, here. Because I want to hear music.
Sounds so whiny.
I am. The heck? Do you hear music?
Yeah.
But do you hear it more than my talking? No, go there. Wait to see if you can actually hear my talking. That's good, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yay, thank you. I love you. Interesting. And it did some dumbass shit. I don't know what it did. What? Why is it like this? See, this is why actually you still have to be in the loop, you know? Because what if I had an AI agent who I just said that, yeah, upload my project on GitHub, and then this is what it uploads. 5-6 pages of half empty pages. That's just too funny to me. Holy. How do you stream without internet? What do you mean? I'm not streaming without internet. I have internet. What? Why would I stream without internet? He's on Ethernet. Dum dum. Yes, I am on Ethernet. Oh, you don't see the Wi-Fi logo? Is that why it is? Wait. Oh, it doesn't show here, but yeah. I see my internet speed. It's kind of shit, I think. Have you seen my headband? The scrunchie? Okay, fine, I'll just use this. What? Not this, the Scrunchy. Tie it up. I have 88 Mbps download speed, 22 Mbps upload speed. That's so ass. I want my 1 gigabyte speed back. It just basically spread this text out over. Bro, forgot readme in 0.1 seconds. What does that even mean? What do you mean, brother? Also, chat, by the way, if you guys are seeing the chat, Arman Kodin, that's my little bro. He's in grade 5. You guys should check out his channel and subscribe. He also does pretty fun stuff. And what? He's in grade 2? No, he's not. And yeah, he be streaming. He's a fun little kid. You guys would enjoy his content as just as much as you do enjoy mine. So check it out and support my little bro. 6-7 pages. 6-7.
Did you do the handles?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna subscribe.
You're gonna unsubscribe? What? Why? My wife threatened to unsubscribe from my channel because I did 6-7. Is this fair?
You're 23.
So? No, what did you make? Man, you just spread the text out to 5 pages. Lol. So much empty. Let me give you new instructions. Sorry? You forgot what you were doing. Grade 5, Dama. Oh, forgive me. No, I'm sorry. It's my fault. What?
What?
Oh, he's saying sorry because he said 6-7 and then I did 6-7 and you said you're gonna unsubscribe and he's saying sorry. It's my fault.
Oh.
Yes, it is your fault, brother. Hi, child. Hello. Hello. Why are you so cute? Grow up so you can sit on stream with me. Good cat. What?
Story.
See, you could make these AI
You're
videos.
not even reading the story.
I can't. I'm busy right now. Send it to me.
Basically, his wife. This is YouTube. You're not gonna watch it. Basically, his wife died after trying to give birth to the 14th child.
That's why he made the Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
14th child?
Yeah.
How old was the wife?
I don't know.
How does one give birth to 14 children? That's crazy.
She didn't.
She died. She gave birth to 13 children. That's crazy. Length target 10 pages. Target audience. dev and YouTube viewers. I hate typing at this point for some reason. I need to get whisper flow just for my typing. I'll be like, okay, can you do this, and then just hit enter, and then it just does it. Or why do you gotta type? I don't know. Abu. Oh, ba. Why you smile? So cute. Let's see if it makes a better doc this time. Cause once I'm done with a new doc about how like it's going, like the project is going at this stage, I can see the chat. Small suggestion: you could build with MD files so that any AI can rebuild what you're building. MD file is saved in the project folder, and any AI will look for it. Interesting. Chat GPT ego. I'll build proper developer stuff, not fluff. Makes the most horrendous readme in history. Yes. Yes. Actually, it does. This comment deserves a like. Can you like it? Oh, yeah. It's only 4:38. That's crazy. Where's my headband? Actually, doesn't make sense. Oh, it made the PDF. Let's see. Oh my days. Oh my days. What is it doing? Okay, let's give it this file and show. Nah. It won't do it. I'm trying to advocate for ChatGPT being a good documenter, but it's failing. It's not living up to its name. That's crazy. At the end of the day, even though there is a lot of empty spaces on each page, ChatGPT can still use that PDF as knowledge base for my project update. It's just not really professional looking for me to upload on GitHub or just link it for other people, which is why I'm trying to fix it right now. If my plan was just to like move ahead with the project, I could just paste the same PDF that has a lot of empty space. Excuse me. Also, if you guys are following along, check out my blog site, abrarbuilds.com. You know, hello world, this site is hosted on my own hardware. Yes, I got a broken laptop over there in the corner that is running 24/7 to host this site. And I will make probably a full length video showing how you can do that. I have one PC that's just laying around. I haven't used anything to make with it. So my plan is to repurpose that PC to remake every server that I've made at home. A NAS, a blog site, Minecraft server, and just show the step-by-step whole procedure on a long format video. So stay along and like follow the journey, yo. See, I really fuck with Hugo because look at this. This is like, I don't know, so clean. Like you got dark mode and light mode, whatever you're gonna call it. See, home lab V1, a NAS, a VPN, and a switch. See, we got what was in my home lab. Got all this, what everything's for, and see, got the channeling right here. So go back. Then we upgraded our NAS. This is I made a whole video about it. If you want to check it out, that's where I made. Hold on. DIY NAS using True NAS. This one before and after. Look at that. This was a Think Center, and I turned it into look like it looks so clean. This is what it actually looks like. It's down here, so I don't want to like show it to you like that because you can actually see it like that. If you check out that video, you will see pretty clean build. And then after the TrueNAS update, we did HomeLab V2. I got 2 more switches. So now we got 3 switches in here. I just made a collision system, yo. If you don't use Python 4.1, you're left in the past. Wait. There's so much in chat all of a sudden. What version of Python do you use? Interesting. I actually forgot what version of Python I use. Let me check. How do you check? Python version? Come on. Okay. It should be right here. Python 3.12.10. That's what I'm using right now. Right here. See this? 3.12.10. But we can upgrade, and also these just like I don't think it really matters that much, like because the script that I'm writing for every purpose is not that complicated. Like look at this. This stuff is not that complicated that I need the newest version of Python for this. If I was doing some machine learning stuff, it would make sense. Bro, ain't no way you have to go so what? Not bad, bro. Ain't no way you have to go so close. What do you mean? What so close? Oh, to read the messages? Oh, it's because I put my phone over here and the chat is like small, so I keep going like this to read the messages. It's funny. So I'm gonna put it next to me actually. Smarter. But that's actually something good you guys pointed out. I might just upgrade my Python version. But that's later. That's some shit for later. Let's see what this made, bruh. V4. Please, please, no fake spacing. Download it here. Let's see if it made it better. Yeah, for the comments right now to read. Oh. Oh yeah, see, I did Python version, not Python hyphen version. Which is fine. At the end of the day, I figured out how you check the version. It's fine. Yo, come on, bruh. There's still so much empty space in every page. What is this shit? Fuck this shit, bro. Now I'm annoyed. Now I am genuinely annoyed. Come on, man. Come on, man. So stupid. So stupid. So stupid. So stupid. Okay, it's whatever. Honestly, it is whatever. I'm gonna leave it like this and move on to the next step of this project. Cause I'm not sitting around here. Ding 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 ding. It's not really 3D. I was gonna do like 3D style images, but not 3D. It's like more like a dreamy. Let me see. Contract, PDF. What does it have? Let me see. This is what it's supposed to be, right? Da 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 da. Yes. Okay. So what does factory PDF have? This one's good. See, I like this one more. That was also made by ChatGPT, so sometimes it just does dumb shit. This one's gonna download. I know. Yeah. This was how I put how to restart this the job format, so it gives me the same format every time without me having to like these are more like so. It's like giving it a system prompt, but in the form of a file, and I love that. Writer agent. Okay, let's delete this, and we're gonna add 2 files here. Actually, more than 2 maybe. Wait, v4 and the actual script. Network known as my media all codecs. What? Oh, it's here. Codecs. Boom. Open. Okay, so we got 6 files now, and let's do it. Tell me what you know so far. Boom. Now it should give me a better answer. File references. See, I love that it does the references. It's just with file references. See, I know where it's getting this answer from.
She laughed so much she started hiccuping.
Why she look so cute? Hello, boo.
She got dressed to sit on stream with you so I can cook.
Actually.
Mm-hmm.
Actually. Fine. Sus the child.
Cover that.
What do you mean cover her eyes? Are you wearing this?
This is cute.
Wear a make her wear a shirt.
It's hot.
Fine. Okay, child.
Her face is coming. Musician listening.
Okay, child. Learn vibe coding with Daddy Joe.
Oh, she doesn't shiny with this guy.
Nice.
She doesn't shine.
Oh, nice.
Also, her nose was covered.
Sorry. What about now?
Why are you showing?
Oh, I don't know. She's cute. So let's read what I actually gathered, okay? Has a distributed folder-driven multi-machine AI content pipeline. Yes. Core design philosophy from your contract, film-based queue system, modular stations designed to feel and intentionally AI generated, no central orchestrator. File system equals state machine. Yes, this is machine package, not API orchestrated. Yes. So there's a locked. Yes. Boom. Moving a folder doesn't equals advancing state. Yes. No read. I don't even know. Message broker, just atomic folder moves. Yes. Well, she has hiccups.
Yeah, and why didn't you? Otherwise, I put her down. She was.
Boo. Yes, a boo. After processing the job, folder moves to visuals, dramatic shots, always same stretches, style lock to target. Want to re-render existing images, thumbnail, text, auto overlays from metadata, retry system included, failure, fail visuals. Okay. Voice station planned. Yes. Consume script.txt, produce voice.wave, captions.srd optional, timings.json optional. Move job to assemble slash format, update voice done. Papa? What's wrong? So, whoa. An hour, 8 minutes. Okay. All right, don't fall. All right, where are you going? Not bad. Anywho, let's see. Do you want me to audit the entire system for weakness and move to voice station implementation? Yes, A and B. Let's do A and B. A. And B. Full audit first, then no. Audit. What's solid? What's risky? We will bite later. Architecture is right. No participator. No, it's easy recovery, easy to work, no broker. Session contract is clear. Risk. Guest SMB is convenient, but it means any device on the LAN can write or modify jobs, including accidental deletes. That's fine for a home lab, but it's the biggest silent failure risk: corrupted jobs, missing files, race conditions. If you ever add automation like uploads, you'll want user-based access or at least a separate write user. No, it's okay. Nobody touches my NAS files. File system semantics over SMB, atomicity risk. Your state machine assumes atomic-ish operations. Rename, move folder on SMB rename is usually okay, but partial writes can still happen if a station crashes mid-write. You've already mitigated this well by writing then always replace for JSON. Yes. But images PNG are written directly and not temp then rename in the visual agent, and a crash could leave a corrupted PNG that exists and is skipped later. Interesting. Writer agent one real bug. Invalidate script you have that returns true valid even though the message says it's too many pauses. That's backwards. It means the writer may accept scripts that violate your max 2 pauses rule. No, I did that on purpose. I did that on purpose because it kept failing. Writer attempts counter isn't per station. Update job increments attempt on every call, even for claimed log entry. So attempt doesn't strictly mean retry attempt. It means station touch this job n times. Not fatal, but it makes diagnosing retry loops harder. Interesting. Visual agent workflow. Okay, so this is what it means. The writer agent, when the job works on it, right? If it fails and it retries, it does attempt 2. But when it moves to the visual agent, it doesn't start another attempt 1. It's attempt 3, even though it's the first attempt on the visual station. That's what it means. Template coupling. Visual agent assumes comfy UI workflow has nodes with IDs 4, 5, 6, 7 for pause, negative, latent, sampler. If the workflow JSON changes even slightly, visuals will fail. It also assumes history prompt ID will contain outputs in a predictable way. Comfy UI behavior can vary by version. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Visual performance mismatch, expectation management. Your dense guide mentions CPU SD can take 30-48 minutes per image at heavier settings. Yes, your current visual agent is much lighter, 6 tests, but on 4 GB it can still be slow and or memory fragile. Yeah, that's the CPU by the way, N3160. Oh, yes, tell the chat what you're yapping about. Yes. Visuals limited regardless of how fast writer. So if the visuals are slow, the whole factory throughput becomes visuals limited regardless of how fast writer runs. Yes, that is true. I can do the 5 divided by 6 divided by 5, that's 12. I can do 12 jobs in an hour for just writer. But at the same time, I can only do one job on the visual station in 2 hours. So yeah. Ownership slash deadlocks mostly handled. Writer sets owner when claiming visual overrides owner good prevents deadlocks. But there's no lease slash heartbeat if a job is claimed and the what host dies mid run. It relies on retry or manual intervention. Yeah, that's fine. If it fails, it fails. I'm gonna make a system where it never fails. Folder permissions already showed up once. From your earlier console snippet project log, you hit cannot create regular file when copying into factory, which usually means mount to create mass dataset ACL that can randomly break stations if not consistent across machines. Fix the writer blank. Okay, make PNG, write, crash, say, temp file, then rename in visuals. Okay, decide whether attempt is touch count or retry count and make it consistent. Reduce workflow fragility, node ID coupling, or freeze the workflow JSON forever. Lock SMB permissions in ASL so every station can always create files consistently, no random permission failures. Yeah, these should not cause any issues, honestly. Because nobody's gonna mess with this. It's not a office where people are messing with the device. It's just me. It's my home lab. Voice station design only, no step-by-step guide. Here's the cleanest contract matching voice station that fits your philosophy. CPU safe. Inputs from bada bing bada boom. Yes. Script test. Outputs required. By the way, engine choice. Piper.text. Yeah, Piper text speech for dependencies. Yes. Loudness normalization so every video has identical perceived volume. Yes. Captions approach to option 1 fast and simple. Generate captions as by splitting script into sentences plus estimated timings based on WPM. Option 2 best quality. Run a lightweight aligner slash SAR to pass. I don't want captions, so fuck it. YouTube makes auto-generated captions. You don't need to waste time on captions, honestly. Confirm before I give you next step instructions. Confirm these 3 locks for voice station. So I implemented the way you want. Cue target after voice. Move to as in guide or factory jobs queue format or factory jobs queue assemble as in earlier contract draft. Queue target after voice is, let's see, assemble. One is assembled and Okay. Symbol. No captions needed. Lol. And no voice yet. So let's get on with it. What are you building? And Armand commented, look at pinned comment. Nice. Oh? Abba? What's wrong? It's okay. Hmm? Onion smell? I don't smell onion. I smell sesame. Oil. She's not hiccuping anymore. Can I put it down? It's been an hour, 18 minutes. So I need what, 40 minutes more of this to be 2 hours? Okay, bye-bye. Come. Let's put you in the crib. Right? Saliva machine. I got 72 views today. And 4 concurrent viewers. Like, there's 4 people who have been watching the whole stream. I love you guys for watching and supporting. Thank you, thank you. I think one of them is just me. I think one of the viewers is just me, so I love myself. You're also watching?
It's on my phone. It should be. Oh, maybe not anymore.
Okay.
So 2 people.
Yeah. Steady progress. Today's day 3. It only goes up. Dave, did you get your answer? What am I building? If you still didn't, you can ask again in chat, and I will describe the whole process again. I don't mind. That's the whole point of this stream, to be like just out here and show people what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, answer questions live. Voice agent version 1. Sorry. While it generates that answer, we can determine if AB mint 3 works. AB mint 3 SSH AB mint 3 at 192.168.8 666768, right? This one is 66, this one is 67, this one is 68, then yeah. Connection refused. Why? Does it not have SSH installed on it? Oh, I have to connect that to the monitor and shit. Okay, we can do that. That's light. One sec. Let's check here if it's even online or not. Ubuntu server, yeah, we got mint 68, 67, yeah. Sorry? Okay, this is on my desk, by the way, guys. Holy shit, what the fuck happened to my keyboard? Why is it so dusty? Cats are behind or something. HDMI plugged in. On the monitor, maybe? Which one do I have the keyboard with? Good question. Let's see. Ah, see? Display's on. Can you see actually? I don't know if you can. Maybe, just maybe, I can bring the camera over to this table for the time being while I do stuff on this screen. Right? Yay! We can. See? Boom, 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 boom. Yep. Okay. AB Mint 3. We're on the PC, not SSH in. I think it's because we can't SSH in yet. Sudo update. While that is working, we can something else like this. Yes. Ah, nice. Nice. Slanted. See. So it's not necessary. Website factory, we got codecs, job style, and test objects. It's an unnecessary file. Delete that. Delete that. Test output. So these were the standalone images that I made before. See? Quality's not the best, but it works. If you're just doing like some narration type shit, it works. That was that image, and this is that image upscaled. Also, done with comfy UI on the mini PC. PC still. So, but I was thinking maybe I should turn one of the PCs into a upscaling station. Okay, let's run sudo app upgrade. Yes, yn. What? Those toys are low-key scary in horror movies.
Yeah.
You go into an empty room and I don't know where the toy starts playing.
That's what happened when I took her off the cow started playing that toy.
Which thing?
The cow.
The cow?
Yeah.
No way. That's trippy. What's that? Oh, why you make lunch? It's not my friend. Yeah, this looks better like this.
And I don't know the picture.
Where? Inside. Inside. What? What is this? What is this? What? What you making? Yes, I want to hear about. It's not the top time today.
Oh, where?
Oh, yeah. Where? Bring it here. Why is it beatboxing? Holy. It's still updating. So once the updates are done, I can do sudo apt update open SSH server and then enable SSH and then system control start SSH server or whatever. Something I forgot the steps honestly. But once you start typing, it just comes back to you. And yeah, bada bing bada boom. Once SSH is running on that mini PC, I can SSH into it from my computer where like this where the stream is. Then we can get back to installing stuff and making the voice agent. We got 30 minutes to do that. Should be good, should be good. She's like singing with a toy. Huh? Oh, why is it playing? How is she kicking it on her own?
Huh?
How does it keep playing? Is she kicking it?
Yeah.
Is she kicking it knowingly?
Yeah, I think so.
That's so cool. She probably thinks the sound is coming from like the toys on top, and she is like kicking them, and the sound is coming from the top. Oh, that's funny as fuck. goes on.
Yeah, she keeps kicking though.
Yeah, she keeps kicking the same one. Meow? What's wrong? Oh, what's the difference? Oh, oh. Yeah? Her eyes closed. Wait. I think they put the nails in her.
If you touch her eye, it makes her work.
What?
If you touch her eye, it makes her work.
Oh. Look! The snot coming out of her nose. And then she licks it back. It's gross.
What? You don't like the noises?
No, Iris has it, and they're always gonna like keep circling back with each other. Right?
Yeah. No.
No?
Kathy and Iris one.
Luca's there, Draco's there.
And also there.
They do. Luca and Draco are also not vaccinated. What's your boo? Yeah, boo. Love boo. Bye-bye. Boo. Boo. Yeah, boo. Yeah. Okay, it's almost done installing. Let me see what we can cover here. In the meantime, yes. Sorry? Yep. Papa, come. Don't cry. I got you. Oh shit. She brought a toy with her and then dropped it. It's 5:19. 40 more minutes to lift that. 40-ish minutes. Okay, updates and everything installed. I think so. Oh, it's still at 56%. What? So wait, I'm gonna zoom out on the steps here so you guys can maybe. Or 5, okay. You need to know from it till before 4. Yeah. Ooh. Yes, Abu. No, Abu. Yes. Ah, you're talking so much. Abu. Such a cute baby. Oh, what is it? Irish? What do you want? What do they want? Why did it start playing on its own?
See what I said?
Come on. Finish installing the stupid shit. I want to get on with it. My bad, chat. I should have done this and pre-prepped the station for me to just work on it. But at the end of the day, this is also part of what you guys need to learn, if you wanna. So, yep, you get what I mean. Uh, let's check out the folders, by the way. See, in Rider, those folders are gone because they're in visuals right now. See, first GPS satellite and Yellowstone super volcano. See, this has everything, I think. Wow, is it done? Let me see. Is that job done? Written, claimed. Visuals, claimed. It's not done. Let's look at the shots. It made 3 shots. It's supposed to make 6. Abu? What happened? What's wrong? What's wrong? What happened, Baba? That's one photo. That's cool. I don't even know why it made. This is the first time it made a face. It looks like an alien more than a face. That's also kind of cool. But what does that have to do with the first GPS? Why is there an alien face? I don't know. You gotta wait to find out. And then see, this one doesn't have the shots part. If you look at the job, see, written, writer claimed, writer written. See, it doesn't have a new state. It doesn't say that the visual station claimed the job. It's going to once the first one is done. This one. And also, I want to finish setting the voice station up before the first job is done so that I can see if it works, because otherwise I would have to make a test job just to see if the Piper and like voice agent is working or not. Did you get that, Abu? Why are you looking at me? She listens so intently, like she's understanding all this rocket science. Is she hungry? She's trying to eat my boob. I don't know. Look, she goes here. Look. What is she trying to find? Abu. Are you okay, Baba? Hello, Baba. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Why are you so tired? What's wrong? Why are you falling? No, it's okay. I'm right here, Papa. I'm right here, Abu. Iris, no. Iris, no. Get out. No. Maybe you gotta go. Sorry. I almost dropped some leak. Fuck out of my wires. Stupid cat. Okay, let's check this stupid update. Is it done? Oh, it is done. Finally, okay. Sudo apt. Oh my god. Install OpenSSH server. Abu. Hello, Baba. I'm doing it with her legs. So she may be able to figure it out. Yes or no? Yes. Sure. Okay, so I did this, and then you need to do status SSH and start enable. Okay, so these 3. let's leave. Let's take a little. Try this too. Set up SSH. Oh, Abu. What up, Abu? So we did that. So let's see sudo system control SSH status. Sudo control. Ooh. Page loaded inactive. So we are going to do start SSH and enable SSH. Okay, and then maybe. Sorry? SSH running. Nice. Yes. What did you want, baby? Tell me, what is it? Ooh, a book? Okay, so now that that's installed, we can come back to my desk. Hopefully you guys got some of those steps. If not, I'll put them in my guide when I make it for you guys to replicate it. So now we can start this again. Oh, let me see if I'm okay. Let's do SSH again. See, this time we can SSH, not connection refused. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry? What, baby? Why do you say stuff? Then I.
Talking to Siri.
Okay. Then say that to me too. I don't like asking to say what.
No, I was saying never mind to Siri too.
Oh, okay.
So bad.
My bad too. I'm deaf. Holy. Okay, now we can start on with the steps. Step 1, mount factory true as guys. So we did update already. So we're gonna do CIFS and utilities. We're gonna if there's no updates to do, it won't do many updates, so it's fine. Oh. Abu, what's wrong? Is she talking or is she mad? Both. Interesting. Okay, CIFS is already installed. Say less, create mount point, make directory. Okay, let's do this half-half. Ooh. Angry baby? She's not angry. She's fine.
She sounded angry.
She's fine. She's just excited. Okay, verify LS LA factory. Oh, I don't see nothing. Let me see. I think it made a new folder. Wow. I didn't? Then what was that? Interesting. Let me see if something went wrong. Control C. Abu, 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 I'm coming, I'm coming. Sorry. Mama. Sugar, Baba. You can see that, like, a top of her head. It's funny as fuck. I have 91 viewers right now.
Is it supposed to be like this, or is it supposed to have water?
Less water. It's supposed to be like. Yeah, yes.
So it's
Exactly that. It's supposed to be Buna. Why do I need to install assembly client? But fine, I'll do it. More utilities, the better. List shares on the NAS guest. Bada bing, bada boom. Look for a share in the output, like factory. Okay. If you see factory in the list, mount like this. Da 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 da. Yeah. If it fails, try SMB 2.1. What does that even mean? SMB 3 and 2.1 version. And then assembly client alert, but mount still fails. Check the kernel reason. Okay. Anonymous login successful. Tree connect failed. The what? Access denied. Control C. Okay, let's see. ls slash factory. What? The what? Okay. There's no guessing the share name. Try connecting directly to the share with guest and see if it denies. Yeah, denied. Okay. So let's try with the authentication. What do you mean? D message does everything important lines, check status code, return login status, and bye. So correct move now, clean for stable, also so the user base mounting properly, no more guests. Okay, confirm working assembly login. Okay, copy here this. Hmm?
He's with you.
Yeah.
I should complain. They're hungry. My bad. Bad.
Boo. Okay, so we can do exit, and then we can do this. And then we can see factory. Yeah. Nice. Make it persistent. Okay, sure, we'll make it persistent. Create a credentials file. Then so okay, you guys saw my password. Doesn't really matter. It's the user password to get into my NAS. You can't really get into my NAS unless you're on my home network, which you're not gonna be on. So it's fine. Let me make this. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Abu. Papa. You say. Hey. If no error, reboot save. Okay. 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 It's mounted. Let's get to work. Yes, Abu. Yes, I'm literally holding a child and doing this. By the way, kind of funny. You see the scalp child head? Yes, right here. Okay, so we will install Piper, install one stable English voice, smoke test, text to speech, deploy voice agent, yes, create a system MD service, run a real pipeline test. Yes, sir. Okay. Sudo apt update, sudo apt, okay, sure. be mad. Don't be mad. Angry baby. Why are you mad? She's looking at you. She's mad at you. Yeah, she's calling you. It's okay. She's coming. She's coming. She's making food for Abu. No, no, no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Abu. No, 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 no. Don't cry. Don't cry. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No crying, Baba. No, no. Abu. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Piper not found. Why? We just did it. We did these steps properly. So something's messing shit up. Let's see. What? What? No, I said something's messing shit up. Not shut up. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let's inspect what actually extracted. Yes, let's see. What the heck? Okay. Got this, Control C. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Up. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. No, it's okay, Abu. Yes, 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 yes. She's done. And you just take or leave it, bro. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave it. Just take it. Abu, Abu. No, 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 no. What? Oh, oh. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Mommy's done almost. It's okay. I can't breastfeed you, Baba. I'm sorry. No, no, no. Mm-hmm. I'm fine. Fine. She's gonna make me get up from the chair. Sorry, 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 sorry. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Come on, do love me. Mm-hmm. Ew! Why you all of it so much on my hair? It's dropped on me. Disgusting. Think it's funny? Why you smile? Why you smile? Is it funny? Yes, it is funny. It's been 2 hours for the stream today. Yes, 2 hours and 3 minutes already. We got a nice. The tar didn't extract. There's no extractor folder on TMP. Only pipe. So do this exactly. We're gonna extract it and confirm what folder appeared. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Armation day. What? What? I have saliva on my hair. This child. Ugh. Ew. 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 Straight up drooled on my hair. Gotta shower. Maybe. I don't even know at this point. Fucking, bro. Oh, verify which Piper. What? That don't make sense.
Sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Goodbye.
Hello? Yeah, when is iftar?
After 6 o'clock.
কত?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay. Alright, bye. Thank you. I'm sorry. Shit. We'll remove it, remove it. Okay, it's probably still in TMP5 and the weapon sub. We're done, and we go straight to download the voice and talk back. Okay, nailed it. Is a directory, is a folder, not the binary. That's why which paper fails and still won't treat a directory as an executable command. Sorry, 552. Fix paper currently 2 commands. Ding, 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 ding. What the fuck? Sometimes ChatGPT be like this, not useful at all. This is one of those situations when you ask it to fix it and it gives you 5 new errors. I am way over time today, but I want to finish this before I finish the stream. And here. Hmm?
Can you take her for like 5 minutes, please?
Yes. Child, we are back on stream. So much saliva, bruh. The fuck? Yes, 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 yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down. Back. Back. Whoa. Anga. Oh, bub. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, fellas. You guys kind of get the idea. That is gonna have to be it for today's stream. 2 hours and 12 minutes. Well, 13 minutes. Because my baby daughter does not want to be on stream anymore. So, peace.